Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Melodysusie actually sent me this a while back and I'm actually finally gonna do it. I'm gonna give you a glimpse. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So 24 colors with 4, I believe, like top coats and stuff like that, and base coats. And they also sent me this Melodysusie pressed on nails, and they are just beautiful purple ombre iridescent chrome unicorn looking nails. I wish I could put these on right now since I have nothing on right now, but we really want to do some type of nails. Okay, so if you want to get a discount with Melodysusie, they gave me a coupon code for you guys that you can use, Laura12, to save 12% off. Here is the polish kit and one like a pink one. Let's do this pink, just a random pink, just so I can swatch it for you guys on camera. That's a pretty pink. Okay, and then it also comes with a matte top coat, a regular top coat, a base coat, and another matte top coat. And this is $9.94. Don't want it too blurry. And I want to show you what it looks like with one coat first. Not bad for one coat. This is 1, 2, 3, 8. Look at that, one coat. Favorite 260. I don't know why I gravitate towards these colors, but they're so pretty. G369. That is very pretty. Might have to do 2 of those coats. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in there for 30 seconds, and then for the pink shimmer, I'll do another coat and then I'll top coat them. That looks really nice. Okay, look at that. They're shiny too. Wow. And all of those are mostly with one coat. I had a client in the morning that I left, spent some time with the family, and now I'm back here filming this video. Is to cleanse the nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some Young Nail Swipe. I need to refill this bottle. I have the big bottles to fill them with. And then I have this little manicure brush that I get from Sally's, and then all you do is, I like to clean them before adding the tips too, to make sure that there's not all that dust there. And then I'm going to clean them again after I blend the tips. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the nail tips ready. And we're just blending the tips, and I like to blend the bottom too. Young Nail Swipe again. And we are going to put it on that brush and start cleaning it out. For my monomer, I need that. I just did. Okay, there it is. How pretty! Let's open it. It is for your monomer, you guys. And I will leave the links for all the stuff I'm using, guys, down below. So if you guys want to cop it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I think that's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Now look at this. Oh my! I didn't think it was gonna be that beautiful. We're gonna do some protein bond. So our primer, you guys. So mine's is from Young Nails. So I put my monomer in this bottle to make it easy to dispense into my containers or into my little jars or DAPPIN dishes. But this is technically what it is. It's Young Nails monomer. Okay, here it is. It's Princesita. And I really wanted to try one of their darker pink covers. So let's check it out. I love how smooth this feels. Okay. I feel nervous. I don't know why. Okay, let's try to see what this looks like. This kind of looks like the one I have. This is, what is it called? Dang, you see how it like polymerized so quick? Oh my. They set really fast. the nails, I am going to add some cuticle oil. I actually ended up using the color 998. But these are the nails. I love them. I may not keep them too long forever, but once in a while it's okay for me. I have kids, guys, so sometimes it's not the best for me to do. Alright, well that is it, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love the purple. And thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye bye. Or Jake's fine, whatever it is where you're at.